it's Candy, and I'm here with a special video because I've been getting a lot of emails about this and people just asking for advice on this. Has anybody ever been critical or judgmental or tried to be mean to you or discourage you or maybe left you hater comments or mean things, whether it's a friend or a family, whether it's about your dreams, how you dress, what you want to do with your life, or maybe a video you've put up on YouTube or anything that you're trying to do? If you have, then this video is for you. I made this for each and every one of you that has dealt with a negative Nancy, a negative Neil, a negative any kind of noisy person in your life. I made this for you, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started. A lot of people have emailed me, and I feel like this is really important because a lot of people have a lot of negative people in their life, a lot of critical, judgmental people or haters in their life, and I just wanted to let you guys know that everybody does this. Every successful person that has done or is trying to do anything great has a lot of judgmental people, hater people, critical people, anybody like that. Pretty much the only way that you're guaranteed that you will never have haters or you'll never have critics in your life is to do nothing with your life. Try to have no goals. If you do absolutely nothing and you just want to be average and mediocre, nobody's going to make fun of that. Nobody's going to test you, judge you, say you're doing bad. I mean, it's almost ridiculous. And a funny quote I heard is, critics are people that think they know the way to get somewhere, but they will never get in the car to drive there. And it's really sad because it's usually the people that are going to say, no, don't do that, don't go after that dream, don't do this, that think they know the best way to do anything, but they've never taken a step, they've never worked hard to make sure that something they have would become successful or become great. You'll never hear a successful person making fun of somebody for being successful in anything. It's just, you don't waste your time doing that. And I want you guys to know, if you dare to be creative, if you dare to dress differently, to think differently, to have big dreams, I promise you, you're going to have people, whether it's family members, friends, strangers, anybody, they're going to make fun of you, they're going to say haterish type comments. Usually it's the most bitter, angry people that are mad at anybody, whether it's a celebrity, whatever they are, they're mad at that person for reaching for success because they are not successful. Another successful person would be, oh, that's great, you're successful too. And it's always the other bitter people that are like, oh, that's horrible, they're this or they're that. And the sad thing is that those critical, judgmental, hatery type people, they focus so much energy on hating and thinking of mean, bullying things and awful things to say, they don't even focus that time on going after something great in their own lives. And that's probably the saddest part about all of those people. So if you guys have a dream, you want to do something amazing or awesome, or you want to dress differently or be different, know that you're not alone. You're going to have people that are going to make fun of you, say things. It's those critical and judgmental people, those noisy negative Nancys or negative Neil or boy, whatever they are. Don't let their sound overwhelm you. It kind of has to be like those little like yapping dogs. Like after a while, you just be like, oh my gosh, would you stop already? Like, oh, that's horrible. That's a stupid idea. You're dumb. You're ugly. You're fat. You're this, whatever it is. Don't listen to those people. You only give them power if you listen to what they say. So comment below, guys, and tell me, what is your dream? What did you do today that people could have made fun of you for? Did you wear star earrings that somebody could have made fun of you for wearing star earrings? Did you wear a mohawk? Did one of your eyeshadow blue, one pink? And I would cheer you on saying, that's awesome, that's so great. And it's the people that think openly and think awesome that would cheer other people on. Don't be judgmental and don't be critical. And if you are one of those people, you can turn things around now. Instead of making the world so bitter and spreading your bitterness, I don't care even if it's about another celebrity that you don't know or another person you know of, you're focusing so much energy on negative, that's what's going to be swirling around you. Instead of being someone that looks for the good in things, looks for the best in things, and imagine the human side of that person's heart. That what if you were them? You know, you wouldn't want someone trampling on your dreams. I remember when I first decided I wanted to be a makeup artist, a lot of people, even people in my family, were like, you need a real job, you should have a real job. And I remember I said, I'm not going to give up. This is going to be my real job. And it took a long time, but when it did happen, and I was working on celebrities, and I was working on TV show sets, and I would get MGM was sending me my check, and Fox was sending me a check, and Good Morning America, and all of these places that I had worked. And I was like, you know what? I never would be at this place if I'd stopped when people said, go and get a real job, you know? And I want you guys to have that hope too. Don't let anybody stop you. I don't care if it's your boyfriend, husband, your best friend, your cousin, Anybody, whoever's being negative, you know those dreams in their heart, and they're there for a reason. And I want you guys to know that you can go after them. Be who you want, dress who you want, go after the dreams that you want, because every great person that's successful today had those people say, stop it, that's a dumb idea, that's stupid, you can't do it, you're ugly, you're not talented enough, all of those things. Whether it was Kim Vo, a celebrity hairstylist I've worked with, or Billy B, an amazing legendary makeup artist, or Miss America that I did her makeup, they've all had horrible haters or people discouraging them from doing what they wanted to do. And I want you guys to know, don't give up. Don't listen to the noisy negatives in your life. Make sure that you guys know there's going to be something great. And the greater the thing you want to do, the more people are going to say things like, you can't do it, how's that going to happen, you're dumb, you're stupid, you're not talented enough. Whatever your dream is, don't let those negative voices stop you. And if I'm the only voice you hear today saying, I believe in you, you can do it. Go after those dreams. I support you to dress how you want, wear your makeup how you want, go after the dreams you want. Be however you are and don't let anybody stop you. Don't let the voice of the negatives ruin your future or ruin the dreams in your heart. Even the Beatles were told they had no talent. I think Fred Astaire was told he couldn't dance. I mean, so many people were told they were horrible and shouldn't do what they do and have no talent, and they became legends of this day. And if they had listened to that voice, they wouldn't be there. So don't listen to that voice, because if you listen to that voice discouraging you, who might you become that people would say, wow, I couldn't imagine them stopping. Look where they are now. So you be that person today. You go and do amazing things. Don't let anybody stop you. There's been so many haters and critics and judgmental people in my life, and these people will never stop, and I really feel bad for them. I feel bad for those people that they go around with so much anger. All they have to pour out on other people is more bitterness, more judgment, more anger. Instead of thinking loving thoughts and encouraging other people, imagine where their lives would be if they were focusing that energy on doing great things and making other people feel great and making their own lives better. But instead they focus it on being judgmental and like bullies and not nice. And I want you guys to know that you're not alone. I encourage you so much. And I hope this video helps make your day feel a little better. Don't let anybody steal the wind out of your sails, the joy from the party of your day. You don't want to let anybody ruffle your feathers, because you have great things to do. Don't let anybody stop you. I don't care who they are. You're going to do awesome things. And hear my voice saying, you can do it. I believe in you. And don't listen to them. You're going to do great things. And I hope this day is awesome. And I love you so much. I made this video for each one of you watching this that is sitting there and in your heart you're feeling like, I needed to hear this. This is so great. I love you so much, and I made this for you. And you can replay it as many times as you want to. I love you. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. One last great thing that I heard is it said, criticism, judgment, and hate are the price you're going to pay for leaping past average and leaping past mediocrity. Don't be average. Don't be mediocre. You were born an original. Please don't die a copy, and please don't die a victim of somebody's hateful comments ruining your future. You guys have an awesome future. This is why I made this video. So please let this be a little encouragement to you. Love from my heart to yours. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.